Imbali Foundation patron Princess Skhanyiso says parents should educate their children about bodily changes that one goes through when growing up. The princess was speaking through Princess Toby during the commemoration of the menstrual day, an event that was staged at a Sibane hotel.
Adolescent girls, especially in rural areas, have faced difficulties in terms of accessing sanitary pads during their menstrual periods. Thus, the United Nations declared the Menstrual Hygiene Day, which is an annual awareness day celebrated globally on the 28th of May. The Kingdom of Swaziland joined the rest of the globe in commemorating this day. The event was held at the Sibane Hotel. Speaking through Princess Toby, Princess Skhanyiso, who is the patron of Imbali Foundation, said parents should not discard their parenting roles.
Leyo nyanzalelo ahlala ihlaba maqondzana netintfombi nine bekunene kuthi akwelekelelwane kubanjiswane ukuze letinto titohamba kanye kanye sinenkinga sibatali asati ukuthi uhulumende nasimethwesa lowo mthwalo utala utholaphi idondolo lekubambelela sesilahlekelene nebantfu bethu asati ukuthi ifike le nhlanyelo yawaphi ukuze bese kuba nemkhathi ngoba sifane tinto letiningi lengabe siyatifundzisa kubantwana kuthi kuba ngumntwana awuhlangani nemuntu endleleni uyafundzisa umntwana ukuthi nawuhlangana nemuntu endleleni wena phela uyabe soyakhwesha umuntu lomdzala ke suke ati naye bese uyakhwesha endleleni indlela igcine iseyilapha emkhathini wena tinto leti ngasitifundzisa lekubantwana emakhaya kodwa nje ke tinto tonke setalahleleka kubotisheni.
The Minister for Education and Training, Dr. Phineas Makakula, said his ministry is committed to help young girls with sanitary pads.
Learning from our past, there is a need to promote a menstrual hygiene management. That will be part of a very important item in our agenda to talk about it. There's a need to break the silence. There's a need to provide the much needed sanitary pads, including wash facilities in schools. There is definitely a need to educate the girl child, whether it is in our rural or urban schools.
Ngamsomhlanga promoter aid said all stakeholders should work together to help provide young girls with sanitary pads. For Swazi TV News, I'm Sihle Lamini with Linton Gule in Zulwini.